Hello traders, hope you're doing well. There are two reasons for me to make this video. First is to say thank you and the other reason is to say sorry. Thank you because we have reached 250 subscribers in just 4 weeks. The amount of response we have got in such a short duration of time has really motivated us. Me and my team will work hard and bring a lot more useful content to all our subscribers. Second, I want to apologize to you guys for not sharing the list of 25 stocks which I promised to share with you in my stock selection process video. A lot of you had personally WhatsApped me asking for stock details. Due to personal work, I was unable to share the details with you, so sorry for that. I have shared the 25 stock details in this video so that you can add them to your watch list. These are the 25 stocks which I wanted you to add to your watch list. I have also mentioned from which sector these are from, so that let's say the banking sector is doing well today. You can pick banking stock from this list. So what I want you guys to do is add all these 25 stocks to your watch list. One day before you trade, check for breakout or breakdown stocks from this list and keep them in your radar. I will show you how to check and add them to your radar. Traders, before I show you how to add stocks to your radar, there is one basic rule of trading which I want you to know. This rule is so important. If this rule is not followed, it will be very difficult for you to make consistent profit in stock market. A lot of people lose money in stock market when they do not follow this rule, which my team and I follow. Following this one simple rule has given us very good result. Going forward, before you trade, you need to fix this rule in your mind. I will trade only if the stock is making an uptrend or downtrend. I repeat, I will trade only if the stock is making an uptrend or downtrend. I will not trade when the stock is in consolidation. In the stock market, a stock can make only three types of movement. Either it can go up, or it can go down, or it will be in a consolidation. Consolidation means a stock will move within the line like this. Okay, so if we take M&M as an example on a daily time frame, the stock is going down. At this time, you can trade. After this, the stock is in consolidation at this level. At this time, again the stock is in consolidation here, so we should not trade. Then the stock is going up. At this level, it's okay to trade. After making an up movement, the stock again is in consolidation. See, this is the consolidation. After the consolidation, the stock is going down. During this time, you can look for shorting opportunities. Again, the stock is in consolidation. After consolidation, the stock went down. Again, you can look for shorting opportunities. Again, the market is in consolidation. After consolidation, the market went up. Likewise, when the market goes down, we can trade. When the market is going up like this, we can trade. When it is in consolidation phase like this, we should not trade. After it gives a breakout, then we can enter. See, after this breakout, the next day, the stock went to this level. Even if it looks like a small candle, during this candle, we could have made good trade. But the next candle after this doji candle is formed within the doji candle. It has not broken the high and it has not broken the low. So again the stock went into consolidation. After consolidation, the stock gave a breakout. At this breakout, you can search for buying opportunities. Again it is in consolidation. It did not break the high or the low of the breakout candle, so the stock will go into consolidation. So likewise, when the market is going down, you need to sell. If the market is going up, you need to buy. If it's in consolidation like this, you should not enter the trade. Out of 25 stocks which I have given you, in this, any stock which is giving you a breakout or a breakdown, you need to add them to your radar. Radar means you have to constantly keep checking. See, Unilever daily chart has given a breakdown after this consolidation. If I had already marked this, or if I had kept the stock in the radar, what do you think would have happened on 31st of August? Immediately as soon as you see the breakdown, you would have started to look for shorting opportunity. Unilever is giving a breakdown. At the same time, Nifty 50 also gave a breakdown. Obviously, the stock is going to be trendy. When you enter, when a stock is giving you a breakout like this or a breakdown like this, only then you will be able to enter the trade quickly, exit the trade quickly and make your profit. When a stock has given a breakout or a breakdown, the duration of your trade will be very quick. Most of the time it will finish within 10 to 30-40 minutes at max. But if you trade during consolidation, it will be very difficult for you to achieve your target. Okay? So let us understand why this happens. Let's say on a daily chart, the stock is in consolidation. Okay? During this consolidation, there is a disagreement between the buyers and sellers. Buyers are trying to push the market up, sellers are trying to push the market down. When there is a battle between the buyers and the sellers and there is an indecision in the market, the stock goes under consolidation. After consolidating for some days, the stock gave a breakout. That means the buyers have taken over the market. At this time, you need to search for buying opportunities. Okay? So, if you see here, there was an indecision between the buyers and sellers. The sellers won. The next day, the candle gave a breakdown. After breakdown, see how beautifully the market is gone. This is the most important rule. Traders, once you stop trading in stocks which are in consolidation, trust me, your trading will be very pleasant. If you choose any stock during consolidation, it's going to be unpleasant. It doesn't matter what strategy you're using. You can either use your strategy or follow the strategy which we are teaching in our course. Always remember, in consolidation, we should not trade. Okay? So all you have to do now is all these 25 stocks, one day before the market opens, you have to have a look at it one by one. Okay? Example, let's say Mahindra and Mahindra is in consolidation. Next day, if Mahindra and Mahindra gives you a breakdown, you have to wait until 10 a.m. After 10 a.m., if it's giving a breakdown, then you can confidently enter this trade. Why wait until 10 o'clock? I have already mentioned this in the previous video. You need to avoid emotion, right? After it gives breakdown, you can easily enter this trade. Your trading will be very pleasant. Let's see one more stock. IndusInd Bank, right? The stock was in consolidation. It made a rally for 3 days. During this time, if you had entered the trade, you would have made good profits. But today, Nifty 50 went down, right? At this time, you will not look for buying opportunities in the stock. You will ignore the stock. But on Friday, what you would have done is you would have added IndusInd Bank in your radar, like this. On Friday, you added IndusInd Bank in your radar. After you add IndusInd Bank in your radar, you have to go to NSE website and check pre-opening market. If you go and check on NSE website, during the pre-market opening, IndusInd Bank was trending, right? But what happened by the time market closes? It fell down. Why? Because this is a trap. The big players would have already made profit here and then they push the market even further. At this level, they would have sold their stock. After that, the stock price kept on going down. Let us see this on a intraday time frame. IndusInd Bank on intraday time frame, during the pre-market, the stock price went up. Lot of people, what they do? They think, okay, the stock is rallying for 3 days, even now it will rally, so let me buy. This you have to avoid. In my previous video I have told you have to wait until 10 a.m. so you have to just watch market until 10 a.m. If you had followed my rule, you wouldn't have fallen in this trap. During 10 a.m. time frame, see what happened? The market was in consolidation. You think you would have searched for buying opportunities when the market is going down? Obviously not, right? So we need to wait. We need to control our emotion. After this, the market went down. During the day, Nifty also went down. Even IndusInd Bank went down. This kind of trap I want you guys to avoid. Okay? All you have to do is check for breakout stocks or breakdown stocks from this list. Then you have to add it in your radar. Let's say you have two stocks which is giving breakout and two stocks which is giving breakdown. Next day, after the pre-market, let's say Nifty 50 is green. At that time, we will look for stocks which are there in our radar, and if the Nifty 50 is down, then we will choose any of these stocks to find shorting opportunity. We will not trade until 10 a.m. After that, we will see how Nifty is going and then we will enter the trade. Okay? I know a lot of you do not trade on a daily basis. There is a solution for your problem. What you can do is you have to have a TradingView account. I will share the link for TradingView in description. If you like, you can go and check it out. On TradingView, you have an option to set notification. Let's say here, if you go add alert, and here you can mention the amount. Let's enter the amount. Let's say when the value is 539, you can set an option for only once or every time. Okay, you can set alert as notification or you can get email, all those things. Click on create and alert will be set. Okay, so when a stock gives you a breakout or breakdown, the amount what you would have set, you will get a notification. At that time, you can check for buying opportunity if the market is going up, or you can look for shorting opportunity if the market is going down. Simple, right? So this is what I wanted to explain to you guys. This feature is only available in Pro version. I feel it is worth it. It saves time. What you can do is you can go to the link below. You get 1 month free trial. Okay. So you can go have a look if you're interested within that 1 month. If you're not happy, then you can unsubscribe, right? So traders, hope this video was useful for you. I'll see you on the next one.